LEX 18, streaming local news 24/7. Search for LEX 18 on your device.
Coming up on LEX 18 News at 6.
In 71 years, I ain't never seen nothing like this.
The cleanup in eastern Kentucky begins as the threat of even more rain and high water looms.
In my mind, I feel very, very confused as to kind of what to do because there's so much to be done and literally every person is in need.
Plus,
especially here in Kentucky, people's hearts are huge and they want to help and they want to go and they want to drive something down or they want to take a pallet of water. But the problem is there is not a lot of infrastructure down there right now.
And a major effort between the American Red Cross, Rupp Arena, UK Men's Basketball, and LEX 18 to get help to our neighbors in need. How you can take part. LEX 18 News at 6 starts now. Good evening, I'm Sean Moody. Larry Smith has the evening off, and Nancy Cox will join us live later in the show. I'm not alone here, though. Chief Meteorologist Bill Meck is in the Storm Tracker Weather Center, keeping watch over the forecast, which unfortunately does include more rain.
More rain, the possibility of strong or even severe thunderstorms looms over us as well. When we were looking at the headlines coming through there, and you were talking about, they've seen flooding before. When I was talking to folks on Friday out there in Jackson, people in eastern Kentucky expect flooding. Flooding is a way of life. It's a part of living in the mountainous terrain. What nobody expects and nobody has ever seen was that magnitude of flooding that we went through, how much rain fell in such a short period of time. With all that said, severe thunderstorm watch for the northern and western, what we call the fringe of our area. So it's folks who are watching us up in Robertson and Mason County. You get up into Pendleton and Grant County, Owen County, over into Henry, Shelby County, Spencer, Nelson County as well. That's a severe thunderstorm watch until 11. Flash flood watch runs until tomorrow morning from Fleming County to Pulaski County, from there on to the east. So it's all the counties that are included from the Jackson National Weather Service office. So again, the greatest threats obviously are going to be where we've had the most flooding. So what are our severe weather risks? High wind, damaging wind gusts is the highest of our severe weather parameters. You can't rule out a tornado, you can't rule out hail. Flooding and lightning do not make a storm severe, but they do make a storm strong and dangerous. And those are our biggest fears that we have for you tonight. The line is slowly coming together in northern Kentucky, then arcing back down toward Louisville. Future track as we go through the next couple of hours here. It's going to take a while for these storms to drop southward, but they will. And as they do so, locally heavy rain, strong winds, and on that kind of orientation as they drop southward, you can pick up some real heavy rainfall totals. And we're going into the hours after midnight with this as well. So it's not just the evening, but it's overnight tonight too. We'll talk about that and look ahead to the rest of your week in a couple minutes. All right.